Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Resident Evil 4 on iOS. First, confirm your device is compatible with the game's specifications, ensuring a smooth experience. Next, head to the Apple App Store and download the official Resident Evil 4 game. For the best control and immersion, I highly recommend connecting a Bluetooth controller. This will significantly enhance your gameplay, especially during intense combat sequences, giving you a crucial advantage over the Ganados. Mastering the controls is key to survival. Use the virtual joystick on the left for movement, and the action buttons on the right for interacting with the environment and performing quick actions. When facing enemies, tap and hold the right side of the screen to aim, then release to fire. Effective inventory management is also crucial. Combine herbs for stronger healing, and always keep an eye on your ammunition count. Practice these basics, and you will be ready for anything. To get the best performance, dive into the game's settings. You can adjust graphics quality to find a balance between stunning visuals and a consistent frame rate. If you notice any lag, try lowering some of these settings. Also, close any background applications running on your iOS device to dedicate more processing power to Resident Evil 4. Make sure your device has ample free storage, ideally over 2 GB, as this can significantly impact loading times and overall game smoothness. For advanced play, always aim for headshots. They are critical for conserving precious ammunition and taking down enemies quickly. Don't rush through areas, take your time to explore every nook and cranny, as hidden treasures and valuable resources are often tucked away. These finds can provide much-needed upgrades and currency. Remember to save frequently at typewriters, especially after challenging encounters. And for more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. Happy hunting, and good luck surviving the horrors of Resident Evil 4.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.